Making fun of life at work has been around for a long time. There's cartoons that have ran in newspapers over the years. There's funny TV shows, and there's even movies. Most recently in the Masters of the Universe movie, they even make fun of the workplace. People love buying items that make fun of work life. And in this video, I'm going to showcase 3 niches on Etsy where you can make some sales while taking advantage of people working day to day. Let's jump in. If you want to have success on Etsy, you need to do these 3 things. You need to have a great product that people are actually looking for. Number 2, you need to have a great looking listing. That means thumbnails, keywords, descriptions, title. That all needs to look really good so you can catch the eye of the customer. And the third thing is you need to have great customer service. And that means responding to questions, shipping your products on time, having things laid out in a way where the customer wants to come back. So having a branded store, for example, making sure your customer service is top notch. So in this video, I'm really going to be deep diving into niche research. And what that means is that people are looking for things on Etsy and they're typing in keywords and they're searching for things. So you want to have your listing, your title, your description, and your tags to align with what people are actually looking for. Now, I'm using a niche research tool called everbee. And I'll put a link to everbee in the video description below. You're going to see it in this video. I'm a big fan of everbee. It helps me find niches where there's high search volume and relatively low competition. There's big niches, there's little niches, but there's lots of areas to make sales on Etsy. So here we can see there's a great example. This is funny office. That's the keyword that I've typed into the keyword research tool. And we can see here there's a search volume of 2,276. That's every month on Etsy. But the competition is really quite high. It's over 400,000 listings that have something to do with funny office. And that gets us a keyword score of 10. But there's related keyword scores down below. So I can scroll through and I can look at different keyword scores. And in addition to that on everbee, there's other tools which I'll show in this video as well. So 10 is not a great keyword score. It's not awful because it's not 0, but it's not super high. So we're going to look at some higher keyword scores in this video. Now, just a heads up, the link in the video description is an affiliate link, and that just means if you click on the link and you purchase the everbee subscription, I would receive a small commission. I use everbee a lot for print on demand and also digital downloads. Niche number 1 is work desk signs. And that makes sense, right? If you're working in an office, you might want to have a little desk sign that's kind of funny, or even just something that shows who you are. So this is a physical product, but you could also sell a digital download as well. We can see related keyword scores. There's some that are really high. Desk sign working, for example, work sign desk, work from home desk sign. That's another big one. Now, as we take a look on Etsy, you're going to notice right away many different types of work desk signs. There's really high-end ones, there's wood ones, there's glass or 3D printed ones, and these are all making sales. So the quality of the design and the quality of the physical product really does matter because people have different preferences for what they want on their desk. This one caught my eye as I scroll down below. These little plastic desk signs are so cute and they're funny. There's a great looking price point here at $2.89. Now they're on sale for 50% off, but even at $5, this could be a great deal. So we can see here monthly sales are 64, total sales 201, and this is a 6-month-old listing. So you would need to find the physical product. These look like little paper clips or some sort of clothespin, and then they have put little pictures inside of it. But you could use your imagination and have similar looking physical goods as well. Here's another one where funny phrases really come into play. So this is a flip office sign. So it's like a flip book. So you can have one product and you can really spice things up at your desk. Monthly sales 54, total sales over 1,000, and the price point's pretty good at $20. Now I have the everbee app installed, which is through Google Chrome. So you'd go into the Google Chrome store, you download the everbee app, and then you can click on this Analyze Listing button right inside of Etsy, and you can see information about the listing. So this is $14.92 American, and we can see the monthly revenue, the listing age, and what I really like is when I scroll down, we can see a trends graph over time, and also keyword scores. So we can see there's some really high keyword scores here. And this means that when customers type in the search term, they're going to see this listing on Etsy. Niche number 2 is sarcastic PNG bundle. So this isn't necessarily work related, but you're going to see some examples that clearly are. We can see here monthly search volume is 665 and the keyword score is 50, which isn't the highest in the world, but it's pretty good overall and certainly high enough that it warrants a look on Etsy. Here we can see there's lots of sarcastic bundles. The biggest downside to selling big bundles like this is you're going to see pretty good price points like $6 and $11 here, but you're going to need to make really large bundles and you're going to need to price it relatively low. You can see here down below, here's one that's 1,500 sarcastic PNG mega bundle and they're doing 109 sales per month. They have a very high conversion rate. Total sales here, 378. So you do need to do some work if you're going to sell really large bundles like this, but you could niche down and pick very specific bundles. Like this one, for example, is adult humor and it's only 100 designs and they've made 65 sales already and it's a 2-month-old listing. Now the price point's pretty low. It's $2.77 Canadian, but over time, this is a nice way to have passive income. It could take months or years to get a lot of sales, but you're not doing a whole lot of work day to day on it other than maybe answering questions on Etsy from potential buyers. So here's a great example of a store that's doing everything right. This is Bestie Pattern. They've got almost 30,000 sales in 4 years on Etsy. They're selling very specific bundles, about 20 to 30 to 40 digital designs. These are priced all the exact same, around $5 Canadian. I'm going to click on this one here, 41 Funny Office. Hand-drawn bundles, we can see total sales 17. This is a 3-month-old listing. So if you've got a sense of humor, you can make some cartoon hand-drawn doodles and you can make some sales on Etsy. Now, I do want to point out, this is a big store with a big following, but this is what a branded store looks like. So when you hear me say branded store, what I mean is the thumbnails are all very similar. The pricing is all very similar. This is going to be a store that a lot of people will favorite because they know with confidence they're going to get similar bundles coming out in the future. And what I can do with the Everbee app is right here, when I look up the actual seller, I can click on this Analyze Shop button. And from here, this is going to show me the information about this specific seller. I can see in the overview section their monthly sales is $1,082. Their total revenue to date was about $200,000. And I can look up their individual listings as well. I love this for 2 reasons. One, I can see the best-selling items, and I can do this pretty easily by clicking on the sales button right here. And this will show me the highest selling items right down to the lower selling items. It'll show me the appropriate revenue attached to those listings. And here's the other thing I like is the tag analytics right here. When I click on tag analytics, it'll show me keywords that this store is using. And we can see there's very, very high keyword scores. So we can easily and quickly see what a shop is doing right in terms of products and keywords. Niche number 3 is anti-motivational. Now this is a smaller niche. We can see the keyword score here is high. It's over 1,000, which is really, really high. But the average search volume per month is quite low. It's 42. We can see the related keyword scores down below are also pretty low, around 100, maybe 150 per month. But the keyword scores are so high that if you take advantage of a small niche like this, you can still make sales because every month you have a very dedicated number of potential customers who are looking for your very specific listing. So here's a great example. If you're a crafty person, you can go onto Etsy and sell things like this. This is a jar. So you'd buy this at the dollar store, or you could get a case of them at a department store like a Walmart, for example. So like a mason jar. They've printed off a label and that's it. Now, you can stick it with a bunch of blank papers or you can just sell the empty jar. But look at this, $32 for a jar with a label on it. And you can see the total sales about 300. When I click Analyze Listing, we can see here the keyword scores: anti-anxiety, stress release gift, funny affirmations, gift for graduation or gift for graduate. That's a great keyword. So you can see all sorts of related keywords when you look at a listing like this. The idea is you're making it funny, you're making it rude, you're making it irreverent, and you're not going to find this in a regular store like a Target or a Walmart. Here's another one. This is a sweary affirmation desk. Now, I do want to warn you, there are some swear words here. That's the whole point. Selling something naughty on Etsy like this, people love it. So monthly sales, $691. This is almost a $30 item, and it's 52 weeks of positive vibes, but it's completely full of swear words and things that are completely inappropriate for the workplace, which is why it makes such a great gift. Somebody would receive this and go, oh my goodness, somebody gets my weird and wacky sense of humor. This is a 6-month-old listing. We can click the Analyze Listing button here, and we can see monthly revenue over $13,000. And there's some amazing keyword scores here. This big one is swear word calendar. That's a big one. Funny desk calendar. That's a big one. So by clicking this, I can copy it, and then I could go into Etsy and I can simply Control V, paste it in, and I can see a whole bunch of super naughty designs that come up on Etsy. So you can brainstorm with Etsy using keywords, and you can find niches where you can really stake your claim and sell unique items that not a lot of other people are selling. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. A link to everbee is in the video description below. Check it out today. Here's another video where you can have some fun in the big world of niche research.